In today's tutorial, I will show you how to access the RDK X5 directly on your laptop. We will connect it to the same network and then access the RDK X5 using the laptop screen. This is very useful if you want to control, monitor or work with RDK X5 from your PC. So if you are working on development, IoT projects or system access, this video is for you. Let's start it. First, we open the RDK configuration. From here, we go to interface option. Inside the interface setting, select VNC. Now you will see a message asking to enable the VNC server. Here simply select yes to enable it. Next, it will ask you to enter a password. Type your password and then verify it. After that, it will ask for a view-only password. Here, type Y and press enter. Now once again enter the password and verify it. That's it. The VNC server is now successfully enabled on the RDK X5. Now on the laptop, download the VNC Viewer from the link given in the description. After downloading, install the VNC Viewer normally. I have already installed it on my system, so I will directly open it. Now on the laptop, search for VNC and open the real VNC Viewer. Once it's opened, you will see the interface where you can enter an IP address. Here tap the IP address of your RDK X5. Before we connect, we need the IP address of the RDK X5. To do this, open the terminal on the RDK X5. Then tap the command fconfig wln0. After pressing enter, you will see the network details. Here look for the line that says inet. That's the IP address of your RDK X5. We will use this IP address to connect from the laptop. Now after entering the IP address, VNC Viewer, a security message will appear. Here simply click Continue. Next, it will ask for the password. Enter the VNC password that we set earlier and press enter. And that's it. You now have full access to the RDK X5 directly on your laptop screen. Now as you can see, the terminal window is open on both the LCD and the laptop. Anything we do on the laptop is reflected instantly on the LCD. For example, if I close the terminal on the laptop, it also closes on the LCD. This shows that whatever we do on the laptop can be viewed and controlled directly on the RDK X5 display in real time. It makes remote monitoring and control very easy and efficient. Now you can see that the same display is visible on both the laptop and the LCD. Next, we are going to run the live camera stream. First go to the file system on the RDK X5, then navigate to the app folder. Inside app, open the PyDev demo folder. And open the terminal there. In the terminal, type the command sudo python3 mip camera.py. Press enter. Then tap 1 and press enter again. And now you will see the live stream from the camera displayed on both the laptop and the LCD in real time. This shows how the RDK X5 can stream live video while being fully controlled and monitored from the laptop. And that's it for today's tutorial. We successfully accessed the RDK X5 on the laptop using VNC, demonstrated red mirroring between the laptop and LCD, and even run a live camera stream that you can see on both displays. I hope this video helped you understand how to remotely access and control your RDK X5 easily. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tutorials. Also leave your questions in the comments below and I will be happy to help. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.